right now we're in the Baylands, and I am in the middle of a palm tree, specifically a Canary Island date palm from the Canary Islands, off the coast of Africa and kind of by Spain and Morocco. Now these trees were imported here just for like landscaping purposes and for decoration, so that because California is around the same level as the Canary Islands. It's around the same equatorial, I guess, lines, and therefore it's at a similar climate, so it does really good in these regions. Now, one thing that you'll notice about these palm trees is all these gray palms at the bottom, but then if you look at the top, it's like a half sphere where all the fronds at the top of the half sphere are green. Now you'll find this really common in a lot of palm trees if you see them, because as the sun hits the leaves, only the top leaves really get hit with sunlight. So what'll happen is that the leaves will grow out from the top, they'll expand, and then when the tree keeps growing and the leaves drop down here, they turn gray and die off. Now, because they're hanging right here, it also protects from the sunlight evaporating the water from this tree, so that it can retain more water than if it did not have these leaves. Now, if I can just break off. All right, come over here, and as you can see, basically the leaves are quite unique as opposed to other plants. This whole thing, first of all, is about as tall as me, or even taller. So that's basically to absorb the maximum amount of sunlight that it can without without letting the sun take away most of its water. Now another thing you'll notice, basically this whole thing is basically called a frond. And each one of these is called a leaflet. And the leaflets are attached to basically this, I guess you could call it leaf spine or stem. And this feature is really cool because it's very common throughout a lot of the palm trees. Now, probably the last and final thing that you notice is that if you look at this trunk, really the trunk is just made up of detached leaves or fronds right here. As you can see at the top, at the top here, there's these fronds are basically the bases of all the leaves, right? And as they drop, they basically cover the tree for protection from sunlight, and then they drop off, leaving this uncovered. And as the tree grows, it's basically the trunk gets covered in this part of the tree, and basically makes up its bark as well. So I think that's all for today on Canary Island date palms. I'm Baylands, and thanks for watching. This is why you don't climb palm trees. I just fell from up there, and then I slipped into this muddy bank that this tree is on. And now my hand is covered. Oh gosh, look at it.